Guys, it's Team Mezak and we're back at it again with another video. So today we're going to make mashed potato. What we got here is a white potato, and what we're going to do first is wash the potatoes. After we're done washing the potatoes, we're going to keep the skin on. So what was going to happen now is we're going to brush the excess waste outside the potato. After we're done that, we're going to put the potato in the pot and we're going to fill it up with water. After we're done that, we're going to put a bit of salt over here. We use pink salt because it's healthy. After we're done that, we're gonna close the lid on it and we're gonna put it on high temperature. Then later on, an hour later, we're gonna put it on low temperature so it can be nice and melty. So we're gonna show you guys when it's done. When it's done, it should be like this. It should be going smoothly. The knife should go smooth into the potato, as you guys can see. Smash the potato with this masher over here while it's hot. What we're going to do is take the unsalted butter, which is in room temperature, and you have to put only half a block and put it into the pot. Then now you're going to start smashing it. Now we're going to put 1 cup of cream, and now we're going to add a bit of milk. And what we're going to do now is smash it until it's going to be nice and smooth. Guys, if it's not smooth, thick, we got to keep adding milk until we reach that texture. After we're done smashing our mashed potatoes, now we're going to do is take 1 tablespoon of black pepper and put it into the mixture. And now we're going to take 1 tablespoon of salt and put it into the mixture. And now we're going to do is take a half a lemon and squeeze it until it's fully done. Put the ingredients in, the salt, the pepper, and the lemon. Now we're going to smush it with the mashed potato so we can get the flavor. Just keep moving it. Okay guys, now we're back with the mashed potato. So what we're going to do now is keep it on a low temperature so we can make our mixture warm so it can become smooth. As you guys can see, look, it's smooth. Just heat it up. I'm about to put the mashed potato into a plate, and look how, guys, look how smooth it is. Look how delicious it looks. Damn. Guys, if you guys want more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. And peace.